Stop pronouncing the T when you speak English.
Man, don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do.
Hey guys, we are out in Exeter, New Hampshire. Exeter Town Hall. I guess they have two of them. Here with AFA, Mr. Tatum himself, and MAA. Audits. Now to open the door. Hello. How are you? How you doing?
There's a little break room there.
Hello. Do you have a cup for some water?
There's a machine right there.
Okay. Thank you. Grab it.
They're fancy nowadays.
Oh, this is very nice.
Oh, I'm just gonna take pictures and videos of it. Thanks.
Okay.
I know, I was surprised I didn't receive it, so. I'll give him a call. Hopefully I'll get.
Do you think I can't read?
to talk to.
Oh, she pointed up to the sign.
Oh. I'm just seeing if that makes any difference. It doesn't. Yeah.
Sounds like a woodpecker.
I got my reading glasses on today.
Oh.
49.
Oh, live free or die.
Sorry? Oh, what'd she get?
No, she just came back. I just seen it go in.
No, that was Janet.
Oh, that was Janet.
Okay, what did Stacy get for lunch? Anything
No, she
good?
just left for lunch.
What'd she get? Anything
Oh, I
good?
have no idea.
Is that the old town hall across the street?
Yes, that's 910 Front Street. This is 10.
So they still operational over there?
Well, it's still open. You can go over there, but they usually hold functions and stuff.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Well,
Ah,
thank you very much. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
what is this?
That's an old tax bill.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, cool.
They should have burnt it. Tax?
It's kind of
You heard
interesting
that,
to
right?
look
People
at, though.
tax. It's in
What
the
are you
word.
guys doing?
$1.85.
I was just taking pictures.
Oh.
How long you been working here for?
Well, this time as deputy tax collector is 2 years.
Okay.
But I've been with the town in the past. I worked over at the PD, and in '93 I worked over at DPW.
What did you do at the PD?
I was the assistant to the prosecutor for the town.
Oh,
Okay.
all
For
right.
6 years.
So you
And worked with Chief Kane.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You never seen guys with cameras?
no.
What's that?
You haven't seen guys with cameras come in here?
No, I don't.
First
I
time?
work for the public, so it doesn't bother me.
You good? Hey, that's exactly
I
why
used
we're
to be
here.
the
That's
town
exactly
clerk.
why we're here, and I'm glad you said that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
because people need to know that there's cameras everywhere you go.
Oh, yeah.
The guy with the camera shouldn't matter to
No.
anybody,
No.
unless you're doing something wrong, right?
Right, yeah.
What's your name, Stacy?
Melissa.
Melissa.
I'm Melissa, deputy tax collector.
Deputy.
Yeah.
Cool. So,
Sounds like a big name.
so did you put any people in jail? Did you
What's
help prosecute any people when you worked with the
Oh,
PD?
years ago? Yeah. I mean,
People that deserved it, right?
Beyond a reasonable doubt, I hope, right? Beyond a
They
reasonable.
worked. The court system over there is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they work really good with the people.
Nice.
Try to be fair.
Yeah.
Well,
Seacoast is a great area.
Yeah.
fair
Very
is-
nice.
Fair is fair,
Do you
right?
live in
If-
this area?
Yeah.
No. Oh,
Close,
you do?
close by.
Yeah.
to be fair is fair, right? But to be convicted of something that you didn't do is wrong,
Oh,
right?
no,
Mhm.
that's
And the
sad.
courts make
Yeah.
mistakes, right? And
Yeah.
and you have people working for the courts that's their job. To put people in jail. That's why I'm trying.
Thank you. You have a great afternoon.
How are you? Place is big. How you doing? Hello, how are you?
Can I help you?
I take it you work here.
Yes.
What do you do here? Pam?
Yep.
How you doing?
Good. I'm the senior executive assistant to the town manager, and I'm also the welfare administrator.
Nice. You have it, guys. That's Pam. McElroy? Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well.
What do we find, Darren? How do you know he's not a taxpayer? Do you know his name?
Yeah.
Do you know where he comes from?
Yep.
Yeah? You work here? What's your name, bud?
He's trying to put a sign up.
What's your name, pal? You don't want to meet the public? All right, shut the door on my face.
No, he comes to the
I'm not
window.
doing that for you, Darren.
They have a window here.
I want his name.
Did you call me Darren?
I didn't call you anything, sir.
I called you Darren. You know what Darren is? Look it up in your dictionary, buddy.
You're Darren, bro. You don't get to treat members of the public like
Right.
that.
Really?
Everyone in here has been very nice, and then comes you.
I want you all to come down, sit with me.
Oh, after you put the sign
I
on?
don't like, all one of you just attacking me all.
Nobody's attacking
No,
you.
you attacked him. I came in. You was asking him if he was telling him he didn't pay taxes. You don't know him from a hole in the wall. Don't give me your crap, okay? I hear it day in and day out from
Listen,
people like
so
yourself.
I have-
We
listen,
pay you
listen.
to act like this to the public? Really?
Listen, I have a private meeting with a
Where?
taxpayer
Where? I don't
She's
see
in
no
here.
meeting going on.
in a few minutes.
Hey,
Okay.
Will you be gone by then?
okay.
Hey,
We're your
Darren,
private meeting.
Let me just
Say
break
you're
that.
sorry to this guy, okay? Because you don't know him from a hole in the wall.
I'm
Tell him he doesn't
sorry.
pay taxes.
Hey, listen. So if you're gonna, just so you know, if you're gonna have a private meeting with a taxpayer, which is your purview,
Yeah.
you understand that that's not a private room. This town is
That's what we've been told.
Can or cannot.
That's
go.
what we've been told.
Been told.
To put up signs
Yeah,
like
and
that
they- and they
to
were-
keep you guys out.
To keep us out?
So
Who's
the
us
reason.
guys?
Yo,
You.
Listen, lower your voice.
I know, right? This guy, what
Lower
is
your
your name,
voice.
dude? I want to make a complaint
can you
against
call
okay?
the police?
Oh,
Oh, here we go, people. Call the police.
there's
This
a
guy-
window here for the public.
How about this? So, building inspector, town planner, or enforcement, right? It's always a building inspector's office, right? So, I'm gonna go down and get this guy's name. All three of us are gonna make formal complaints against this guy. You guys can readdress your
I'm
government.
trying.
Just,
Not gonna-
just go about your
Dude,
business.
you just said the reason they put up all these signs is not for any protection for the
Does the public
it's
come
just
in
to
here?
keep Us out.
Does the
No,
public
it's
come in
not
here?
issue.
Where you are?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just that
So putting a sign, don't you think that putting a sign on that door
I started with you very politely.
for the public that is able to come in and out would be ludicrous?
It's not your office.
He had to make a sign.
This is the people's office.
Nobody beyond this
This
point.
is the people's
Oh,
office.
yeah.
Yeah, and he wants to put it on. He wants to put it on that door.
Okay, I don't make those decisions.
There's a sign that
I mean, I'm
says
the
that it's
planner, so if you
employees
have any planning questions, I'll be happy to answer.
And what's his name?
It's,
And you can't just put up a sign. It doesn't
It's the
work.
building inspector.
Your door?
Yeah.
Because, listen, just so you know, if you print up a sign and put it on your door, then let any member of the public into that office, it just voids the sign, Darren.
His name is Douglas.
Douglas.
Douglas Eastman.
Hey, hold on.
Oh, no, there's no sign on the door, Darren.
Well, they're invading my office.
We're not invading your office. I'm not even in your office.
Step outside, Mom. What do you want to talk about? So what do you want to talk about?
I just want to get some pictures, man. I just want to get some
You
pictures.
don't want pictures of me. I'm an old man.
I did want pictures of you, and then you started getting flipped with the mouth on me, man.
There you go.
Hey, close the
See
door
that?
on me. Don't put your hands on me! You put your hands on me, you'll be on that ground. Do you understand where I'm coming from? That's assault and battery.
What's he? He's
He's
touching you. I
gonna-
missed
he put
it.
Put his hands on
He
me.
put his hands on
No,
him.
Put your hands
no.
on me.
Hold it.
Look at this guy.
Now he's going to jail.
Yeah, he's going to jail now.
Now we'll wait for
Did
the
you call
police.
the
Now he's
police?
going to jail.
Did somebody call the police?
Now Home Skillet's going to jail. Are you the town manager?
What can I help you with, everybody?
I want, maybe you can hold the camera while I interview him as he's being cuffed up and sent to jail.
All right.
He's lucky he didn't just get dropped.
What can I help with? I know that you guys are able to be
Are
in
you-
here.
are you
That's
the town-
fine.
are you the
I'm
town manager?
Melissa. I'm the assistant town manager.
Ladies and
Nice to
gentlemen,
meet you.
I'm not mad at you.
That's okay.
So,
I understand.
But that guy's out of control.
This is unacceptable, right? Okay. So
Wow.
no one in this building has been rude whatsoever.
Nobody.
Everyone has been professional. Okay.
Great.
We haven't gone in places where there's signs.
Yep.
There's no signs there because that's a public office. In fact, he just said he's printing up a sign, puts it on the door, and now he intends to have a member of the public in that office. So you can't demarcate a public forum, limited or non-public, and then invite a member of the public in there and expect it to still be public. It's open to any member of the public. That's not my concern.
Okay.
My concern is that if everyone here is nice and professional, maybe we're not the problem, he is. And now he just put his hands on me. And I would say that he's extremely lucky that he's still able to use those hands, because I have the right to defend myself.
All right.
And it's on film.
Melissa,
So that's
he
the-
also said on camera that that you guys were told to put signs up to keep us guys like us out of the public places.
I missed it, bro. I'm sorry. I was going over there trying to
Oh,
get
I
the
got
guy's
it.
name.
I got him putting
I got it too.
putting his hands on me. So now we're gonna need him to go
What
to
can
jail.
I do to help?
Uh,
what do
help
we need
you
to
you
do?
can facilitate us in getting him to jail.
To get him to jail.
Well, he is
Oh, say
so
he's sorry.
unwanted
One,
touch is assault, right? Unwanted threatening gestures is assault. The contact with another person, that is
It's assault
battery.
and battery. Yeah.
So he just battered me. He committed a crime.
So we have reached out to the officers, right? So because we had a request to do so, we understand that you're allowed to be in here, right? And we've had this discussion. Have you guys come here before? Because I think somebody came and chatted with Doug before.
Oh, his name's Doug?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
So why
and
call the
we're-
police?
So I was requested to by an employee.
I know.
So but
Okay,
that well
well,
that's
be the
right.
reason.
So
So good, they're on their way. They
So
can take him out
what
of here.
can I do to help with this scenario?
I
You
mean,
could give him, you
Help
could
him
give
gather
him
his things
his
and meet-
medication
and quit.
because he's obviously didn't take it this morning.
so I mean, I can tell you what, he's certainly not gonna have a job over the next couple of days. Right? I've never been here before. I've never seen any videos that have been conducted here before. I don't normally go to places where other people have been. I go, I take my pictures, I go out and I leave. Now, if his behavior had not been that, we would have been in and out without conflict because your staff is professional, yes? So
I
now
hope
we've
so,
come
thank
into
you.
someone that is not
Was he
professional.
having a meeting?
No,
I wasn't,
No.
No.
I didn't come in, I was
Office is
in
wide
another room.
open, no signs on the door. I didn't even take pictures of him. I was taking pictures out of the window and the infrastructure of the office. And then he told me that I needed to get out. It was his office, and he started yelling at me, telling me that I'm not a taxpayer. To be fair, I pay more in taxes each year than I guarantee you he makes as a salary. That type of behavior.
But
with any
that's
citizen.
that's not what it's all about. He thinks he can treat the public like that. I don't care. Maybe if I was holding, a weapon or something, I'm holding a camera. There's cameras everywhere you go today. What is the problem with these unprofessional people that we pay taxes for?
So I wasn't here at the beginning. So
That's
I can't-
what they
I
all
can't
say. But we got
answer.
3 videos that we can show you, and they all show the same thing.
I'm
Then
not-
then what would you say? Yeah, he acted unprofessionally. Would you act professionally and actually, or not? Or would you try and defend him, or would you just say he screwed up, man? He should have never did that. You would never get.
So if there's a video and we get to that point, we can do that, but I
Oh, I'll
wasn't here,
show
so I
you.
can't speak to that. So,